Really awesome information about the red-lipped batfish, The Voyage of the Beagle. This book by Charles Darwin mentions several endemic species of the Galapagos Islands, which were studied by him during the second survey expedition of HMS Beagle between 1831 and 1836. The name batfish is given to other fish types too, including the California batfish, some animals from the Iphipidae family, etc. The Ogcocephalidae is another batfish family of well-adapted oceanic bottom dwellers. These are sometimes also called sea bats or anglerfish. Although found in deep waters, a few species are found in comparatively shallow waters. The habitat of tropical and subtropical water bodies is common among all the Ogcocephalidae family members worldwide. One such member with a distinct identity is the red-lipped batfish. The red-lipped batfish scientific classification kingdom, Animalia phylum, Chordata class, Actinopterygii order, Lophiformes family, Ogcocephalidae. The common names for this species include batfish, Galapagos batfish in English, and Pez murcielago, Pez murcielago labiorojo in Spanish. According to the IUCN Red List, it falls under the least concern category. This species is believed to have no threat or does not face any declining populations because of the broad range of depth and deep water habitat. The red-lipped batfish dwells mainly in the southeastern Pacific Ocean. They are found in the vicinity of the Galapagos Islands, which lies on the equator and off the west coast of the South American continent. They are rarely found besides these islands, occasionally within the regions below Peru, one exception being recorded in Ecuador too. The average depth at which this strange-looking aquatic animal is spotted is 30 meters. This species is mostly seen in the sand and rubble substrate, thus primarily on the deep ocean floor. The red-lipped batfish, although frequenting shallow waters in some regions, also rise to the surface in deep waters. It is not surprising to find them at the edges of reefs that are around 120 meters deep. Appearance and size: batfish are said to possess certain features resembling a bat, which is why the name. With a light brown to grey colored body, the batfish can only be identified from a crowd due to the characteristic red lips. They are bright red, almost fluorescent in color. This feature is understood by marine biologists to be a mechanism to enhance species recognition during spawning, breeding. The squamation or scales are shagreen-like and comparatively smooth in texture. Commonly, this fish has around 19 to 20 vertebrae. The longest red-lipped batfish found so far has been around 40 cm long. Elysium is what is seen on the top of the head, a protruding extension. Adaptations of Galapagos batfish: although a deep water fish, it does not know how to swim well. So, a red-lipped batfish straight away walks on the ocean floor. It is identified with this peculiarity as it possesses highly altered pectoral fins that aid walking. On maturity, the dorsal fin turns into a spine-like projection extending from the head. This elysium is known to be used by the fish to attract prey, also a similarity with other anglerfish. Isca present at the end of the elysium sends out bright light, which in deep waters easily attracts smaller fish, serving as food for the batfish. Diet: this batfish is a piscivore evertivore, which means it eats other small fish and invertebrates. Its diet constitutes small crustaceans, including shrimp, mollusks, crabs, etc. Lifespan and reproduction: the lifespan of a red-lipped batfish is considered to be approximately up to 12 years. These fish reproduce sexually. Their eggs include pelagic and pelagic larva types. Since this fish resides at the bottom of the ocean, it has no vulnerabilities from even any climatic changes or phenomena like the ENSO El Niño Southern Oscillation.